Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kim's Live here. Now it's coming up to St. Patrick's Day, so we've decided to do a string of Irish recipes for you to try. The first one we're going to do is one of my ultimate favourites, which is Colcannon mashed potato, a real staple in Irish food. It's traditional and from like around the country. Every county in Ireland would probably have a slightly different recipe. Some would put bacon into it, some would just put cabbage, some would put spring onions. But my one is purely beautiful buttery mashed potato with buttermilk and cabbage. So you wanted like a really good kind of deep green cabbage. So this is like a Savoy cabbage, so it's like great flavour on it. So, and you want to just cut this as fine as you can. So nicely shredded. So we would say shredded or chiffonade, which is a word that you might see in some cookbooks. So that basically just means as thin as you possibly can get it.
And can use any other kind of cabbage or?
You can, but you kind of want a strong cabbage because the mash itself is so buttery and creamy that you kind of want some sort of impact on there. So we're just going to put a little bit of butter in our pot here, in with the cabbage. And I've got that started on a high heat, but then reduce it down to a medium and you just want to cook it through so it gets nice and soft and tender. We've cooked our potatoes, so we have lovely roasted potatoes, and we're just going to run that through a mixer. If you don't have one of these mullers, you can actually just use like a potato chopper or masher. So this just ensures that there's no lumps inside the mash. There you go. You can see it's going through there. Look underneath there. See, it's kind of riced. So there's like zero lumps in it. A little bit of salt to it. Okay, the mashed potato we bring up here. And to this we're going to add in a bit of buttermilk in there. And a little bit of butter. And you just want to mix that through. You got a lovely creamy mashed potato. Oh, unreal, isn't it?
Yeah, smells nice.
Absolutely beautiful.
And can you use melted butter, or is it better to use fresh butter?
I prefer to use fresh butter because then you're getting, the cream and the salt and the oils of the butter just mixing in there nicely. Just make sure your potatoes are warm in order for the butter to dissolve into it. Then we're going to add in the cabbage. And there you have beautiful Colcannon mash. Now you can serve that with a bit of bacon, even some Irish sausages. It's unreal. This is beautiful. You can serve it with a nice bit of salmon, pan-fried salmon on top of it. Just delicious. So there you go. This is part of our St. Patrick's Day series that we're doing over this week. Enjoy.